This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact files or folders you want to compress. This determines archive size and structure. Once selected, right-click and choose Send to Right Arrow Compressed, zipped a folder so Windows uses built-in zip without extra software. Make sure to give the new zip a clear name immediately. This avoids confusion later when you extract. If you need specific ordering or omit temporary files, do that selection first, because the zip reflects the current visible selection. Once Windows creates the zip, you can rename it and verify contents by double-clicking the archive. This shows how files are stored and lets you remove or add entries by drag and drop. Windows updates the archive accordingly. Make sure to monitor the file size in File Explorer to confirm compression reduced space. Large media compresses less. If you have hundreds of items, compress them in smaller batches to prevent Explorer slowdowns and to retain clearer archive organization. To finish, test your zip by extracting to a temporary folder and opening a few files. This confirms integrity and lets you catch missing items. Make sure the destination drive has enough free space and that you have right permissions, because failures often come from low disk space or locked files. If you need stronger compression or password protection, consider 7-Zip or WinRAR. They offer advanced settings, but for basic needs, Windows built-in zip is fast, simple, and widely compatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.